Welcome everyone to No Problem Vegan. Today we are in Orlando, Florida at Karelyn's Vegan, and we are trying out the oyster mushrooms, the mac and cheese. We've got a grilled chicken sandwich and kale salad. So much goodness right in front of me to try. So let's dig in. I'm going to try the oyster mushroom. These are gray oyster mushrooms. That crunch is looking real. And this is mango habanero sauce. There's many you can choose from. This is the one I chose. Wonderful mix of mango to habanero ratio. Oyster mushroom is cooked all the way through and through. Deep fried. Batter is amazing. Excellent. The more I'm eating this oyster mushroom chicken, the more it's tasting like KFC. It even looks like it. Let's try some cornbread. That's a huge piece right here. The cornbread has a sweetness to it, it's fluffy and just right. Going to try the salad. It's nice to have some greens with the oyster mushroom. This entire meal I feel like is a perfect balance right here. The salad is extremely fresh. For the mac and cheese. That is really good creamy mac and cheese. This entire meal is extremely comforting meal. Soul food right here. And this is the grilled chicken sandwich. I'll give that a try. We also got the habanero mango sauce to go with it. Right here. But I'd like to try it without the sauce because I know what the sauce tastes like. Give this a try. And this is an in-house patty. This is made in-house. It's not anything like Gardein or anything like that. Whoa. The grilled chicken sandwich is extremely juicy. And honestly, like, I don't even know how they did that. It's a good chicken sandwich. And so there you have it. Karelyn's Vegan. It's our first time trying it out. So far, I'm really liking it. Hope you get to try it out sometime if you're ever in Orlando, Florida. Thank you so much for watching No Problem Vegan. Please like and subscribe.